students, in this chapter simple interest, we have already done introduction of simple interest, formula to calculate simple interest, and some applications of the formula of simple interest, that is amount, principal, time and rate. So today's video is going to be about some special type related to this chapter, that is simple interest. So let's get started. So here we have first example. So let's read the statement first. A sum of money invested at 9% per annum interest amounts to rupees 37,760 rupees in 2 years. What will it amount to in 3 years at 10% per annum? Now student, you can see that here we are given with 9% per annum and one amount is also given, that means in rupees. Time is given us twice. Also, this rate is given us twice. So what we will do, first of all, we will see whatever is given to us and we will write in the solution. So here, a sum of money invested at 9% per annum. Sum of money means what? It means principal, right? Invested at 9% per annum. 9% means this is rate. Interest amounts to rupees this. That means 37,760 rupees is what? Amount. In 2 years. That means it is given us time. Now first of all, what we will do, because a sum of money invested, we don't know how much money. So what we will do, we will let the principal be rupees P, right? And amount is also given to us. So we will write here amount. Rate is equals to 9% per annum and time, that is 2 years. Now here student, you can see that principal we have supposed, amount is given, rate is given, time is given. So what we can find from here, we can find SI. So what is the formula of SI? That is P into R into T upon 100, right? Now we have to put what? We have to put the value of P. Alright, so what is the value of P here? Here's the value of P is what? P. So we will put the value of principal, that is P here, multiply by rate, that is 9. Time is also given us, that is 2 years upon 100. Now what we will do, we will not do the cutting over here to make it simple. So 9 to the 18, P upon 100. So this is SI that we have just found. Now because amount is given to us, so we will apply the formula for amount. Amount is equals to P plus SI. Put the value of amount here, that is 37,760 rupees is equals to P plus, what is the value of SI? That is 18 P upon 100. Now what we will do here, we have P here, again P here. So these are like terms, so we can have the LCM of both these terms. So what will be the LCM of 1 and 100? It will be only 100. So you know that on one table 100 comes on 100 and 100 into P, that is 100P plus 18P, it will be equals to 118P. Now what we will do, we have to find the value of P. So we will shift this 100 to this side, left hand side. So it is getting divided here. So when you will shift it here, it will get multiplied. Now also we have to shift 118. So this will go to left side and it will get divided. Now you can see here 37,760 multiplied by 100 upon 118. Now what we will do, we will do the cutting over here. So on 2 table 118 comes on 59 and 100 comes on 50. And on 59 table it will directly cut on 640, right? Now what we will do, we have to multiply both these numbers. So we will multiply 640 into 550, right? 5050. So here I am multiplying 64 into 5 because at the end 2 zeros are there. So we will put 2 zeros at the last of the answer. So when you will multiply 64 into 5, you will get 320 and the last 2 zeros are there. So we will get here P is equals to rupees 32,000. Alright, so here we have found the principal. Alright, because in the beginning we have just suppose the principal's value is P. So here we have found the value of P. Right? Now student, we will again reread the statement. What will it amount to in 3 years at 10% per annum? Now, whatever money we have just found, that is principal, what will it amount to? That means we have to find the amount now. But you can see here time has been changed, that is 3 years at 10% per annum. Also rate has been changed, right? So we will write here principal that we have found rupees 32,000, time is equals to 3 years, rate is equals to 10% per annum, and amount we need to find. Again, principal, rate and time is given, so we can apply formula of SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100. Put the value of P here, that is 32,000, R is 10 and time is 3 upon 100. So we can cut these two zeros. Now what is left? 320 multiplied by 10 into 3. So 10 into 3, that is 30. So we have to multiply 32 into 30. So 320 into 30. So what will happen? So here we will multiply 32 into 3. So it will be equals to 96, and the last two zeros are there. So we will put here. So we will get SI is equals to rupees 9600, right? Now, because here we need to find amount, so formula of amount is equals to P plus SI. Put the value of P here, that is 32,000, and SI is rupees 9600, right? So when you will add them, so we will get here rupees 41,600 rupees, right? So this is what we needed to find. So now move to the next example. Here we have example number 2. Let's read the statement. A sum of money put at 11% per annum, simple interest, amount to rupees 10,370 rupees in 2 years, right? What will it amount to in 3 years at the same rate? Now again, you can see we can find this sum as we have done the previous sum, right? So it is same as the previous sum. So you can see a sum of money. Again, a sum of money. We don't know how much money we have. So we will suppose let the principal will be rupees P. Now 11% per annum. What is given to us? 11% per annum means rate. So we will write here amounts to rupees 10,370 rupees. That is amount is equals to, we will write the value of amount here. And time is also given here. Again, we will apply the same process, apply the same formulas here. So first of all, we can apply SI formula, that is P into R into T upon 100. Put the value of P, that is P only, multiply by R value, that is 11, and T value, that is 2 upon 100. Again, we will not do the cutting, right? So 11 into 2, that is 22 P upon 100. Now we can apply the formula for amount, because amount we already have. So we will put the value of amount here, and formula is P plus SI. P means P plus SI means 22 P upon 100. Again, 1 and 100 LCM we will take here on one table. 100 comes on 100, and 100 into P it will be 100 P. Plus on 100 table 100 comes on 1 into 22 P, that will be 22 P. So when you will add, you will get here 122 P upon 100. So we will multiply this 100 with this value, right? And again we have to shift this 122 to the other side, which will get divided. Now you can see here we have done the cutting, right? In the same way we have to do cutting. After doing the cutting, we will get here 85 multiplied by 100. So it's very easy for us to multiply 85 into 100. That will be equals to rupees 8,500. So here we have found the value of principal, that is P is equals to 8,500. Now we will again read the statement. The last line, that is what will it amount to? That means we have to find amount to in 3 years, right? Earlier we have given the time value, that is 2 years. Now it has been changed, that is 3 years at the same rate, but the rate will be same, that will be 11% per annum. Now principal we have, rate we have, time we have, we don't have amount. So we need to find amount. For finding amount we need SI. So we have to find SI here. Put the formula for SI is equals to P into R into T upon 100. So put the values of all these three. So after putting the values, we can cut these two zeros, and what we are left with, 85 into 11 into 3. For making the multiplication easier, so we will have 11 into 3, that will be 33. Now 85 into 33 will be what? We will do the multiplication. After doing the multiplication, we will get here 2805, right? This is the value for SI. Now, because we have to find amount, so put the value and put the formula of amount here, that is equals to, amount is equals to P plus SI, right? Put the value of P here, that is rupees 8500 plus rupees 2805, right? So after adding, we will get here 11,305. So this is the value of amount that we have just found, right? So students, today we have done these two examples which were very easy. Now I hope all of you have understood all these examples. Now all of you are able to do the related homework that we have sent you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.